Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create USA Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create USA Gmail account without using your phone number. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Google Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, then you search for this special application, Tenda VPN. You can see this application has more than 50 million plus download. So just download this Tenda VPN over here. Now if you're already having it, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. Now once you have downloaded this Tenda VPN, just go ahead and open it. Now once you open this VPN, you can see the globe button at the upper right corner. Click on that and select, you can see over here, select United States, and you can see US West. So select United States. Now once you have selected United States, you can see I'm now connected. You have to click on connect and then connect to this VPN. You can see the key button at the top there. I have now connected to this VPN. Now once you have connected to this VPN, which is the United States West, open your Gmail, click on your profile, and then you can see add another account. Click on that and then click on Google over here. Now once you click on Google, you can see checking for info. Just wait, enter your pattern or your fingerprint. Now you can see over here, you can see it is asking for your email or phone number. Just click on create account. Once you click on create account, select for myself. And once you click on for myself, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and you can see enter your name. So you just enter any name and then enter your first name and your last name. Now once you have entered your first name and then last name, click on next. And once you click on next over here, just wait for it to load and then enter your date of birth. You can select any date of birth of your choice. So in my case, I'm gonna enter this over here. And then enter, select your gender. Now once you have selected your gender, click on next to enter a strong password over here. So in this case, you have to select any of them, any of this Gmail account, and then click on next. Now once you click on next over here, you can see it is asking for password. So just enter any password, but make sure you enter the password that you can remember. Then you click on next, and once you click on next, just wait for it to load. And now you can see, because I selected United States server, you can see United States over here. So you can see this United States over here, but we don't want to use this, so we have to click on skip. So just click on skip over here. And then once you click on skip, you can see, just wait for it to load. And now you can see the Gmail account over here. Just click on this, click on next over here. So now we have successfully created our USA Gmail account. So just wait for it to load and then scroll down to the last end, and you can see, just click on I agree, and by clicking on I agree, your account has been created successfully. So with this, you can create unlimited Gmail account or your unlimited USA Gmail account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video